Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about string immutability. Strings are immutable. Once defined, they can't be changed. We can't change any of the characters. Have a look at this. Name equals Jake. So now, for example, we can't change Jake to Jane by changing K to N. If we try, we'll get a self-explanatory type error. Have a look. Name with index 2, which corresponds to K, should be changed to N. Well, it doesn't work. We get a type error. String object does not support item assignment, which means string can't be changed. Now, we can assign a new object to a variable, but this is not changing the string. We're just defining a new string and assigning it to the same variable. So, have a look at this. Text equals I like soccer. So, this string is now assigned to this variable text. And now we can change this like so. I like tennis. Now, here a new string is assigned to the same variable text. So now text is this. Only this value is now stored in this variable because this string is no longer the value of this variable. Now, we can't delete a single character either. If we try to do that using the del statement, we'll get an error. Have a look. Name equals Steve. Let's try to delete the element at index 2. Well, it doesn't work. We get a type error. Again, string object doesn't support item deletion. But we can delete the whole string. So, del name. It works. Let's check it out. Now, this variable shouldn't exist anymore. Well, and it doesn't exist anymore. Name is not defined. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.